Isang magandang umaga mga kadugyot. Nandito ngayon tayo sa Ayala Malls para ilibot ito at para syempre explain sa inyo ano nga ba ang origins ng basketball. So yun talaga yung ano natin dito no? Yung ba't tayo pumunta dito para mag-explain lang kasi. So sa unang-una, ano nga ba ang origins ng basketball? Sino nga ba gumawa nito? So ang gumawa ng basketball is Dr. James Naismith. Na-invento siya nung December 1891. So, isa siyang physical educator instructor sa International YMCA. So, he wanted to create a game that would not only provide a vigorous physical workout but also reduce the risk of injury, which was common in existing sport like football. So, yun na Naismith's game also involved nailing a pitch basket to an elevated track and using a soccer ball. So dati pala ginagamit nila is yung pitch basket lang para sa basketball na So doon naman tayo, paano nga ba siya sumikat? Ano nga ba yung growth popularity niya? So the YMCA was instrumental in spreading the game across the United States. By 1893, basketball has also reached France in the following years. And it was introduced to China, Japan, and several popularity surged in colleges, leading to the formation of professional leagues. So sana naintindihan nyo yan, no? So next naman tayo, yung mga key milestone naman sa basketball popularization. So nung 1906, napalitan na yung pitch basket. Hindi na siya pitch basket, guys. So metal hoops na siya na meron ng backboards. So 1906 yun. Then nung 1936 naman, basketball was included in the Olympics in Berlin. So grabe, no? Ilang years din yun. 36 years, guys. 36 years. Then 1946 naman, the Basketball Association of America. So America na, which later merged with the National Basketball League to form the National Basketball Association, which we also know as NBA. So lastly, 1959, the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame was established in Springfield, Massachusetts. So ayan na, guys, no? So ngayon naman explain ko sa inyo kung ano nga ba yung mga basic rules at ano nga ba yung mga position sa basketball, mga roles. And mamaya ituturo ko rin sa inyo paano nga ba mag-dribble ang mga pro, paano nga ba mag-shoot, paano nga ba mag-pass overhead, paano nga ba mag-pasa ng pababa. So tara, samahan nyo na ako.
Basic rules. The primary objective is to score more points than the opposing team by shooting the ball through the opponent's hoop. Team has 5 players in the court at any given time. Substitutions are allowed throughout the game. Professional games are typically played in 4 quarters of 12 minutes each. College games consist of 2 halves of 20 minutes. The game begins with a jump ball at the center court, where the referee tosses the ball into the air. Field goals, a shot made from inside the 3-point line and it is worth 2 points. A shot beyond the 3-point line is worth 3 points. Free throws awarded after certain fouls and worth 1 point each. Free throws are taken from the free throw line. The gameplay is the team with the ball attempts to score by dribbling or passing the ball to the teammates. The team without the ball tries to prevent scoring by blocking shots, stealing the ball, or rebounding missed shots. The violations: shot clock, failing to attempt a shot with a certain time. Double dribble, stopping and then restarting the dribble. Traveling, moving with the ball without dribbling. Now the fouls. Personal foul, physical contact that impedes an opponent's play. Technical fouls, non-contact infraction like unsportsmanship. Team fouls accumulate leading to free throw opportunities. In the game, The team with the most points at the end of the game wins. If the score is tied, the game may go into overtime. Now the equipments. First of all, the basketball. The basketball is the central piece of equipment in the game. Hoop, basket, and backboard is the target players aim for to score points. The court. The playing surface must be smooth and well maintained to ensure player safety and the facility. Footwear. Basketball shoes are designed to provide support, cushioning, and traction. Appropriate clothing allows for freedom of movement and helps manage sweat. Positions and roles. First is point guard. Primary ball handler. The point guard is responsible for bringing the ball up to the court, and playmaker. The point guard calls play and ensures that the ball is distributed to the right player. Point guard are also good at shooting, especially in long range. They are also a great leader, directing the teammates and setting a pace of the game. Second is the shooting guard. They are responsible for scoring. The primary role of the shooting guard is to score points. They are also excellent at making shots from long distance. They also have a good ball handling. And they also have off-ball movement. They need to excel at moving without the ball to find open shots and create opening. The third one is the small forward. They are the most versatile players on the team. They are also good scorers. They contribute significantly to both offensive and defensive rebounding. And lastly, small forwards often contribute to playmaking, assisting the point guard. Power forward. Inside scoring. Power forwards are typically strong players who can score in the post and close to the basket. They are also good at rebounding. They also have mid-range shooting. And lastly, they have the physicality. They bring a physical presence to the team, often setting screens. The last one is the center. They are the interior defense of the team. They also are good at rebounding, and they have post play. Offensively, centers often play with their back to the basket, and they also have the screen setting. They set screen to help their teammates.
So, ayun na nga, salamat sa inyong lahat sa pakikinig, sa pakikinood, sa pakikisama sa akin ngayon sa aking mini vlog. And sana di kayo nag-enjoy, sana nag-enjoy kayo lahat. So, ayun na, mga kadugyot, tara na't mamalimos.